Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how it will move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, we have seen it is moving in a particular range from 2 months. Okay, this is the range, and before that it was moving in this particular zone. Okay, so before, if you look at this particular chart, this is quite a volatile range if you look at this, because otherwise what we have seen, it was moving for quite some time in this particular zone. Okay, and after this zone breaks downside, we have seen it has come in this particular zone, and the zone low was around 17.579. okay, and now after that it has already made a high of around $21.278, and now currently trading at around $19.814. okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, which is a lower probability that it will move upside, because we can see a swing is forming at this particular level, so probability is high, we can see it can move further low. And before we move forward and explain you how it can move, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $20.024, which is again a resistance, which is already a weak resistance. So probability is again high that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 20.5, which is again a resistance, which is a weak resistance. So we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 21. So keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of 20.204, all these resistance are weak resistance, so probability is much more higher that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 21.088. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Keep a note of it, because the price once goes above a level of 20.024, then there is a high probability that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 21.088, and from there, if that level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $21.265. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside, because if you look at these particular levels already being tested here, so probability is high, we can see a movement towards an upside if the price sustain this particular level. okay, and as we know that there is a quite good volatility in the silver. okay, so once the price goes up this level, you can see that it can go further upside, and a probability of touching further upside towards a level of 22.5 will also be there. So you have to keep this in mind and keep on trailing whatever you are doing, and you have to be very careful when you trade or invest. See, as you know that the market is very volatile, so you can reduce your quantity to half, and your SL can be a little upside, because of the huge volatility it can hit and then can hit your targets. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, okay, as I've already told you that the price had formed a swing at this particular level, it is moving further down. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $19.590. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $19.43. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $19.278. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 19.083. okay, and if the price fall below that, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can move further low towards a level of 18.615, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of around 18.341. okay, and if 18.341 also didn't sustain, then there is a higher probability of moving further down towards a level of 18.029, and from there a probability will be there, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 17.5. okay, so from 17.5 we can see a bounce back. okay, but a resistance coming at around 18, so we can see it can come down again to, and the price can fall below 17.5, and from there we can see it can move further down. okay, so you have to keep this in mind. The market is volatile, so you have to be careful with your SL and your targets, as well as you're wanting to invest, so you have to be very careful, because if you have seen go in the 2010-12, we have seen the price was silver was very high, and as of now it has not touched that particular level. okay, so you have to be careful because for your SL, for intraday, as well as for if you are for a particular trade, so that you should not wipe out your capital. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.